I'm Eric Claxton. In this Tech Hack video, we'll cover how to back up your files as well as how to clear memory space on your computer. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out other videos. Let's get straight to it. The first thing we should probably do is back up everything just in case we delete something we actually need. From the home menu, the first thing we'll do is click on this Apple sign, and then we are going to go to System Preferences. From System Preferences, we're going to go to our Time Machine, and then we're going to select the backup disk. I have a portable drive attached here, and so this is what I will use. Now click Use Disk. And then if the drive hasn't been formatted to act as a Time Machine backup, it's going to ask you to erase what's on there so that it can format the drive differently. I don't know what's on this drive, so I'm not going to do that, but this is how we'll go about doing it. So I'm just going to go to select a different volume, and then I'm going to hit cancel because I just won't do a backup before I do any deletion. Okay, and then we can move right on to the reason you're here, which is how to free up space on your MacBook Pro. So there's basically two ways that we can go about clearing up space. Either way, we're going to click on Apple, and then we're going to click on About This Mac. From About This Mac, we'll be able to click on Storage, and then we can click on Manage. If you wait, this will calculate each individual space or what's taken up each individual memory slot. And the same here, as you see, this is loaded the same way. Now that everything's kind of loaded, you can see that Applications is taking up the most amount of memory, or actually System Data is, but we'll get to that later. So with Recommendations clicked here on the left sidebar, we have a couple of options to clear up space automatically, and this would remove movies and TV shows. We can empty the trash and then reduce the clutter by reviewing files and deleting them. If you haven't already gone through and manually deleted some of the things that's taking up space, I would do that before I decided to, like store information in iCloud and possibly have to pay more money for storage. So manually, we can just go through, and it's very simple. We'll click one of these. We can click whatever is taking up a lot of space, like Xcode. I would delete if I needed to delete it, and then click delete, and then things will get deleted. So that's automatically and manually. That's how you would clear up space, both of these. And if I go to Documents, you can see that like large files, I can see what's taking up how much space and get rid of it if I needed to do that. When it comes to System Data, we just have to understand that these are extensions and plugins that we've added along with files that are left over from like apps that we've deleted, and also installer files that are left over from apps that we've installed. We can simply just go to the hard drive, which mine is here on the desktop, and then inside a library and system is where we'll go to look to delete things. I would just make sure you don't delete anything that you didn't personally put inside of the library. And I would barely delete too much inside of systems. But these are other places that you can go, and that's going to take care of some of the System Data problems. So if you're one of those people who constantly feel like, yo, I gotta upgrade my iPhone because I'm out of space, I gotta upgrade my computer because I'm out of space, you probably don't. You probably just need to clean up a little bit, do a little bit of maintenance. So this video is for you. Hopefully this saves you, I don't know, a few $1,000s.